Hey guys, in today's video, I want to share with you the best way that you can grow on YouTube, and there is no gatekeeping here. So, this doesn't only work on YouTube, it also works on other social media platforms. So, if you are just starting out your content creation journey or you are already on it, please listen to this video. There are two stages to this: the pre-monetization stage and the post-monetization stage. The focus here is the drivers, what drives you in these two stages. Now, as a person who is monetized on two different platforms, I am here to share with you what actually works. So stay with me on this video, okay? I'm not going to take much of your time. Now, if you're just seeing my face for the first time, my name is Gochi. You're welcome to Content with Gochi. I teach people how to come up with strategic content for their channel and their platforms, and how to actually grow on YouTube and on social media. Okay, so let's go straight into this video. Like I said, there are two stages to this. There is the pre-monetization stage, and then there's the post-monetization stage. I discovered this on my journey, on my growth journey as a content creator. Now I'm going to share this with you. This is something that most creators who have done well don't really come out to say. So I'm going to share this with you, and I hope that you get your pen and your notepad and start writing down. So for pre-monetization, like I said, the focus is drivers, right? What drives you? Some people are driven by views and virality and comments and all of that. See, that should not be your driver. As a person who is starting out, I'm going to tell you this, especially if you know that you want to make it as a content creator. What your focus should be is creating, like setting up targets, daily targets for your content creation. You're not looking for views. When your content go out, you're not coming back every time to check for views. Your goal should be that you have a content calendar, a content plan that you meet up with, a content calendar that puts you on a daily requirements. So you have your requirements to meet every day, and you should be bothered about not meeting up with those requirements, those daily requirements that you set for yourself on your content calendar. In fact, what should drive you is, have I created content today? If I have not, then don't be at peace with yourself. Do you get? So that should be your driver for pre-monetization stage. You can decide that, okay, every week I'm going to put out video on my channel or on my YouTube, my TikTok or Instagram or Facebook, wherever you are creating. I'm going to put out video every week on so and so day of the week, maybe Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. That should be your content calendar every week. Now you have to set an alarm. I have a content alarm on my phone. Whenever it is 12:20 every day, that alarm goes off. Guess what that one is? It's YouTube. It's titled Time to Upload on YouTube. I have another one that goes up at 3 p.m. every day. That one is Time to Upload on Facebook. So you set alarm and set calendar as well. And then if you forget, maybe you forget your calendar, your alarm at least should remind you. And even if you're not able to meet up with that entire day, at least you know that you are lacking behind. So what that means is that when next, maybe you miss creating on Wednesday, for instance, your next creation day is Friday, for instance. What that means is that you should do twice the work. What you missed out on Wednesday, make sure that you create it. You meet up with it on Friday, meaning that you're going to create Wednesday's content and Friday's content. So the driver should be meeting up with your content schedule, your content calendar, and it has to be much. Like, don't come and say you're going to create once a month. I'm going to tell you the truth. Don't ignore those creators that come and tell you post at least once a month. Once a month will not help if you want to grow. I'm telling you the truth. Now, this is from experience. So it should be much. It should take a lot of effort from you. If you really want to grow and get monetized really fast, that is the best way to do it. I have seen creators, they come out and tell you how they are. I was watching one creator the other day. She's a mom of a special child. She's not married, and how she couldn't leave her child with other people to tend to. She mentioned how when she goes to work, she's not at peace because when she comes back, the child is a special child and can't really tell her what, whoever it is that is taking care of him has done to him or not. And this bothered her a lot, and she decided to settle for content creation because that was the only job that she could do alongside taking care of her child. And she put in, according to her, she put in the effort and was creating every day, every day, every day. When you start out at first, it's never perfect. Trust me, it's usually nothing to write home about. But the fact that you keep posting every day makes you get acquainted with the algorithm. That is just it. That you're posting every day. Algorithm can push out a very low quality video and it will go viral. So it is the most important. That's to tell you that the work is not perfection. It's not having the best camera, having the best lighting, but consistency. So if you can't do, I'm going to tell you that the best strategy that works is actually posting every day. But if you can't post every day, at least 3 times a week for starters, when you start seeing how your content is picking up, then it motivates you the more to create even more. Now, do not be obsessed about the views. That's not you should put it at the back of your mind that in that you might even create every day for 30 days and not get the views. Please don't be obsessed with that. Like I said, let your obsession be your creation, like your calendar, your content calendar. Meeting up with your content calendar should be your obsession and not views. Okay, so that's what you should do. That should be your driver for pre monetization. Now, when you now get monetized, what next? That's when you should put in more work. The driver for monetization stage is your earnings. Okay, so when you know it at the back of your mind, it's like you working every month, doing your 9 to 5 every month, knowing that at the end of the month you're expecting salary, right? So you get up in the morning, you dress up, and you go to work. You have to do it every day. Now, for content creation, it's even harder. You know why? Because for 9 to 5, at least you're sure that if you get up from your bed and you go to your office, whether you deliver on your job or your tax or not for that month, at the end of the month, you're going to be paid your salary, right? The highest thing that can happen is a little deduction here and there. But for content creation, if you do not put in the work, in fact, you can even put in the work and there is no guarantee that one video gives you money or one video generates money, right? So that's why you have to do multiple videos. Okay, so a compilation of all that multiple video is enough to give you something. The fact that you're getting 10 cents, 2 cents, 1 cent, $1 from every post that you make should be the driver for you. The more you create, the more earnings. So your earnings should be the driver. You are thinking of it that I have to make you set target for yourself. Like this month, I want to make $1,000, and you know that you can't sit back and $1,000 will come with just grow on your channel like that. You have to create. You have to put in the work. So the driver for post monetization stage for you to grow on YouTube and any other platform is your earnings. The moment you start seeing that, I mean, like I said in one of my video, a monetized channel is like a gold mine. You don't leave it to just get stale or start maybe because you posted a few videos and you didn't see the revenue and you're just like, what happened to all of the effort that you put into getting monetized? We all know that on YouTube is a very big hard work to get monetized. Then you get monetized and then you just relax. No, please, if your long form video is not doing well as a monetized channel, start posting shorts and start earning from it. I'll be ending this video here. I hope this video was helpful to somebody. Did you take notes? All right. If you haven't liked this video yet, can you give it a thumbs up right now? Subscribe to this channel if you haven't, and join the Gochi community. And I will see you in my next video. Clackets.